How to appear offline on Instagram even when you are online. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can appear offline on your Instagram even when you are online. So the first thing you want to do is open your Instagram app. Now, once you've opened your Instagram app, simply tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're on your profile, go to the three dots on the top right corner and then tap on settings. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the option privacy. And now if you scroll down a little bit, you can see an option named activity status, so simply tap on it. And now by default this option named show activity status is turned on by default. So in order to appear offline on your Instagram, simply untoggle this bar and then it'll turn gray. Now even when you are online, other people won't see you as online and you will appear offline in everybody's account. So that is basically how you appear offline on your Instagram. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.